Hello traders. In this video, I will discuss the continuation of Forex trading using the Greezly Bot Pro Expert Advisor. If you are interested, you can download it for free on the website www.e-igtrade.com. When I made this post, the profit was around 35–43%. In this video, I will also see the actual profit results at this point. The parameters of the Expert Advisor Greezly Bot Pro are as follows. We can see that we can set this Expert Advisor using Martingale and without using Martingale. If we fill in parameter 1 on money management, then the Expert Advisor will work using the Martingale strategy. And if we fill in the parameters with the number 2, then the Expert Advisor will work without Martingale. You can set it according to your wishes. Press the download button to get the Expert Advisor. And after that, you can immediately try this Expert Advisor. Okay, here I will try to see the actual results of the profits that are being obtained at this time. The profit obtained at this time is 61.44% with the biggest drawdown that has ever happened, namely 40%. Profit in nominal USD of 197,431.57 USD. This is the result of profits earned for 249 weeks of 2018. 40% drawdown in USD terms is 33,598 USD. From a deposit of 372,050 USD and an initial deposit of 22,264 USD. So the total deposit used for Forex trading using Greezly Bot Pro is around 394,314 USD. Okay, next growth information. We can see here the profits obtained from 2018 to date. This Expert Advisor has reached a balance of 284,649 USD and has been withdrawn so that equity is currently at a nominal value of 80,475 USD. Let's see the results of trading history. From the results of this trade, we can see that the trading parameters used are Martingale. Multiples of the lot size used start from 0.40, then the lot size increases by 0.80, and in subsequent transactions it increases by 1.20 lot size. Information statistics. A total of 974 trading transactions, with a profit ratio of 69%. Maximum consecutive loss of 4 transactions. Pair distribution. The pair that gets the most profit is the Euro-USD. Total gross profit from Euro-USD is 86,000 USD. Okay, have you ever tried Greezly's Expert Advisor? If you have written your opinion in the comments column to discuss together. Thanks for watching till the end.